Hello all, we have this problem at our hand. So how do you solve this? So first of all, what is being given? This is the expression that is being given, right? Log e 4x minus x square by 3, right? So for anything related to log, what are the criteria that you have to follow through? First of all, let us say this is log a comma b, sorry, log b base a. So in this, what needs to be followed? First of all, b should be greater than 0 and a should be greater than 0 and a not equals to 1. Okay, so these are the two criteria that three criteria basically that for any logarithmic expression we have to satisfy. Okay, so here let us see how we satisfy this. First of all, 4x minus x square by 3, this must be greater than 0 and e must be greater than 0 and e not equals to 1. Now we know that e has a value which is close to 2.71 something, so we don't have to worry about these two criteria. Okay, all right, so this is the only criteria that we have to satisfy right now. And because this is a square term, in order for this to be real, what needs to happen? This 4x minus x square 3 log e, this must be greater than equals to 0, right? Okay, now for this we see that 4x minus x square by 3 greater than equals to e to the power 0, that is 1. Okay, now let us look at these two criteria that we have at our hand. First of all, this criteria, you see that this criteria automatically follows this criteria, right? Because the same expression, once it is greater than 0, once it is greater than equals to 1. Okay, so we don't have to worry about this particular criteria, we just have to solve this equation. That is the only thing. Okay, so now what is there? 4x minus x square by 3, this is greater than equals to 1. So if you write it, it will become 4x minus x square greater than equals to 3. That means take everything this side. Okay, so 0 greater than equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so the equation that ultimately forms is x square minus 4x plus 3 less than equals to 0. Okay, now let us write it this way. This is a quadratic equation. Basically we just have to solve it. How do you solve this? You write it in this manner. In this way, it is x into x minus 3 minus x minus 3 less than equals to 0. That is x minus 1 and x minus 3. Okay, this should be less than equals to 0. Now for quadratic equation, how it happens is, you see, this is so what is the criteria? X minus 1 and x minus 3 less than equals to 0. This is the criteria, right? Now let us say this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is 0.1, this is 0.3. How the graph would look like is, it is something like this. Okay, this is a quadratic graph. Now in order for this to follow through this particular criteria, it has to lie in this range. Okay, so the answer that we have is 1 less than equals to x less than equals to 3. Okay, so this is how you solve this type of problem, this problem particularly. Okay, hope you like the video. In that case, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Helps me a lot. See you in a new video with a new problem.